In this lesson, I will explain to you how to solve equations with numbers. So our first question is find the value of x. X is the variable. This one. X is equal to 75 minus 25. So you have to find out the value of this variable x. And this is the equation. So it is very simple. So x is the variable. It may have different values. So 75 negative 25, answer will be 50. Right? There are again 2 or 3 different ways. This is the one way. And the second way is, I will explain to you. Write down 75 and then 25. Then subtract it. So 5 minus 5, 0. Suppose you had 5 candies and you gave 5 candies to your friend. How much is remaining? 0. Now here you have 7 candies and you gave 2 candies to your friend. So remaining is 5. Now you have 5 candies left. So the answer is total 50. And another way is, if you want to do here directly, so this is 5 minus 5 and then from 7 negative 2. 7 negative 2 is 5 and 5 negative 5 is 0. Second is, here you have to find out the value of y. In this case you have y variable and y is equal to 82 plus 17 positive 11. So how you can write down? Y is equal to 100. Right? How I did? First add this 2 positive 7 9 positive 1 10. So this is 0 and 1 is carry. So 1 and 8 9 and this is 10 100. So another way is 82 17 and 1. Now you have to add it. 2 plus 7 9 9 positive 1 10 and 1 carry 8 1 9 and 10. So 100. Third question is find the value of y again. So y equal to, in this case we have y equal to 65 plus 31 positive 20. So which will be equal to 116. How I did? First you have to add 5 positive 1 positive 0. 5 positive 1 plus 1 equal to 6. And now we will add the second term 6 positive 9 positive 3 9 and then plus 2 11 116. Right? I will show you here the other method, this, and then 20. You have to add it. 5 plus 1 6, 6 positive 3 9 positive 2 11 116. Right, so here are some practice problems, and I didn't mention the answers here because they are so simple. Here you have to find out the value of s, you have to add this, here you have to find out the value of t, 80 minus 6, and here you have to find out the value of u. Still, if you have any question, write down in the comment section, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.